welcome back. Today I'm going to be making country style pork ribs. It's going to be super easy. We're just going to throw it in the crock pot. It's going to cook for about 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours. We just want it really tender. And basically all I'm going to do is put them in the crock pot, add some big chunks of onion to it, some chunks of garlic. I'm going to add garlic powder, paprika powder. I'm going to use this Montreal steak, even though it's for steak, but I like the seasonings that are in there. And then some barbecue sauce. So let's get started. And I'm just gonna do these like big chunks of onion and just throw them in there. I washed the meat and put it in here. I'm gonna add maybe a couple drops of water in there just to have a little bit of moisture. But there's so much fat on this meat, it's gonna give off a lot of great juices. And we're just going to sprinkle it with some paprika, garlic powder. I'm also going to throw in some fresh cloves of garlic too. And some of this Montreal steak. So 6 cloves of garlic. Then I'm just going to kind of just rough chop. Get it in smaller pieces. Okay, got it chopped up. And we're just gonna throw it on top. Not to make a mess like I am. And I think I'm gonna also add a carrot and a celery, just to add a little bit more flavor to it. Just going to add that in there just like that, just for a little bit extra flavor. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of water to the bottom, and then we're going to cover it up and cook it on low for about 6 to 8 hours. There we go. It's been 7 hours. Let it cook for 7 hours, and it completely, the bones fall right off of it. It is so tender. It smells so good. So now I'm just going to take it out and see if I can make some kind of a gravy out of this stuff, and then we're going to put some barbecue sauce on top. I ended up just leaving the natural juices as a gravy instead of adding flour to it to thicken it up, but you can add flour to it and make a gravy out of it. And then I added the barbecue sauce on top, and it's super tender meat. It just falls right off the bone. It's just, oh, so delicious. And that's it, finished product. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.